Hey guys, so today we're going to be fixing my iPhone 15 Pro that I've been wanting to fix ever since the start of 2025. As y'all can see here, I basically sold my other 15 Pro, which was a 128 gigabyte blue titanium 15 Pro, for a 1 terabyte version of it. So we're gonna be fixing it today. This is the parts. I bought it like this. The screen was working, and I bought it for $100 only, despite its condition. I plugged in the display, and I set it up as my own, and there was no issues at all. So I'm wanting to fix this for a long time. So finally had the opportunity to get the AliExpress orders. Just give me a moment, y'all. I'm gonna go grab the motherboard. Alright, I'm back with the motherboard, as y'all can see here. It's in decent condition, so no worries there. Let's unbox the things. How do you open this again? Oh, I might be stupid. Oh god, I'm shaking, guys. Y'all can see. Being very old. Oh no. No. Bro, I hate AliExpress packaging. Holy. Let me guess, this is the housing. That's what I'm thinking, at least. Yeah, I think I'm correct. Or this is the back glass. Oh, it's just the back glass. It's the original one. That's why. I bet this is the housing. Guys. This is gonna be part one since I don't have the screen yet. There we go. There's the money shot. There we go. Hold on. Oh, thank you so much, AliExpress, giving me a bunch of garbage adhesives. Here's the battery adhesive. I don't think I have the battery right now at the moment, so yeah. I'm doing it with gloves, guys, because I don't want to get anything dirty on the inside at least. So here it is. Yeah, it's in amazing condition, not gonna lie. Not even a single scratch, and it is original. That's the best part about these housings. So we're gonna be starting with the motherboard. We have to give it a good wipe. Some lovely swab. Alcohol swab. So yeah, dice that. There we go. Dicing it with alcohol. Getting it drunk, as they say. God. Guys, you don't know how much I've been wanting to fix this. It took so long. Let's clean the sides. I'll be right back, guys, once everything is done cleaning and we can. Alright, guys, it's the next day. I procrastinated yesterday, so I guess we have to continue. Here I'm putting on the motherboard. As y'all can see here, I forgot to record that part. Make sure every single ribbon cable is connected properly. And I have acquired a new display. It's an LCD though, so it's not gonna look as good as the original. And I'm gonna need new cameras and a new battery. I couldn't acquire a battery for real. And the cameras are cooked, so that has to go. There's a lot of things that's wrong with this 15 Pro, but it'll all be worth it. I've had this phone for 2 years now, and I've been wanting to fix it. So here's the chance to fix it, really. And install a new screen. As you can see here, I think it should be good. Let's just give it a quick wipe down. Any fingerprints, I like to keep it as original as possible, make it look as original as possible. By the way, this was how the phone looked like before that. Picture that in your head, guys. It's insane how far this phone has came. Cleaning the motherboard, making sure everything looks OEM as possible. This is gonna be part one, guys. There are gonna be 2 parts because I'm gonna get a new battery and a new cameras. So yeah, making sure everything looks good, clean. There we go. So yeah, as y'all can see, new display and new proximity sensors as it's ripped, and the housing came fully equipped with the back glass and the LiDAR sensor. That's how you call it. Kind of hard though to do this with the gloves on, but yes, here it is. I'm not gonna put the cowlings right now, as I'm gonna get a new battery. It's gonna be in part 2. We just have to address some issues, hopefully, that arise. We won't have any issues, but just making sure every single thing is plugged in correctly. Yeah, should be good. I've got this housing for a pretty cheap price, guys, on AliExpress. I'm gonna leave the links below if you want to fix, if you have a 15 Pro that you want to fix. But now, let's close it up. I do not need the cowlings for now. So yeah. I might mean this phone if I get it fixed, as it has a 1 terabyte storage, while my 17 Pro Max has a 512 gigabytes. And I like the size of this phone. It's small and perfect. And then we'll test it out on the charger, see if it'll boot, hopefully. If I didn't kill anything. Where's the other? Where's the... Oh, don't tell me I dropped this somewhere. Oh, Oh man. Oh, I guess, guys, can't do anything about it. Now let's plug it in the charger and see if it'll run or work, hopefully. The moment of truth, guys. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Let's see if we'll fully boot. Hey, let's check it out. Give me a moment. No issues, but it's pretty slow, which is expected. Has no battery, so it thinks. Hold on. Let's see if Face ID works. It doesn't work. Let's check Wi-Fi. I think Wi-Fi is dead as well. We have to check that out. It's probably because I don't have a battery installed, so as soon as I unplug it, it's dead, so yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video when hopefully I got the battery and the cameras, and hopefully if I save up enough money, I can get a new screen. So, alright. Peace, guys.